Assalamu alaikum, Islam tubers. How well do you know your deen? Can you answer them all? Let's begin. Who was the first male adult to accept Islam? C. Abu Bakr. What is the name of the Prophet's grandfather? A. Abdul Muttalib. Which surah is the longest in the Qur'an? B. Al-Baqarah. What is the name of the Prophet's tribe? B. Quraysh. What is the name of the Prophet's first migration destination before Medina? C. Abyssinia. What is the name of the Prophet's servant who later became a prominent companion? B. Anas ibn Malik. What is the name of the Prophet's wife known for narrating many hadiths? B. Aisha. What is the name of the Prophet's camel during the Hijrah? A. Al-Kaswa. What is the name of the Prophet's night journey to the heavens? B. Al-Isra wal Miraj. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's continue with the quiz. What is the name of the angel who records good deeds? A. Raqib. What is the name of the Prophet's son who died in infancy? B. Ibrahim. What is the name of the Prophet who was given the Zabur? C. Prophet Dawood. What is the name of the Prophet who was swallowed by a whale? A. Prophet Yunus. What is the name of the Prophet who was given the Torah? B. Prophet Musa. What is the name of the Prophet who was given the Injil? A. Prophet Isa. What is the name of the Prophet who built the Ark? A. Prophet Nuh. What is the name of the Prophet who was known for interpreting dreams? A. Prophet Yusuf. What is the name of the Prophet who was tested with the command to sacrifice his son? A. Prophet Ibrahim. What is the name of the Prophet's wife who was the daughter of Umar ibn al-Khattab? B. Hafsa bint Umar. How many did you get? Let us know your score in the comments below. Subscribe for more Islamic content to make your Islamic learning experience fun and rewarding. Assalamu alaikum.